Hi, my name is Michael Hua. I am the pharmacist in charge here at Harbor Compounding Pharmacy. Today we're going to go over the use of syringes that you might have received with your prescription. At Harbor Compounding, we dispense 3 different types of syringes. One that is 10 mLs, one that is 3 mLs, and one that is 1 ml. Some of our syringes will be pre-filled with cream, and I'll walk you through in terms of how to use those. You may also get a syringe that is not, that can be used with suspensions. The same things will apply. So for the first one is a 10 ml syringe. If you want to notice, you will see numbers that range from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 10. To use your dosage on this prescription, you will get this if you need most likely half an ml of cream up to 1 ml of cream. Each small little dash right there signifies half an ml of cream between the numbers. In this regard, if you push from the 10 to the 9, from the plunger, from the bottom up, that's going to give you 1 ml worth of cream. So to do that, you would take the cap off, you would depress the plunger up to the desired number, a certain amount of cream will come out. You will usually apply the cream directly to the area where you will be instructed to apply it. A lot of patients will apply it to their inner arm, their inner thigh, even the back of their knee. Once you apply the cream, you do want to rub the cream in well into that area, and you want to let it dry prior to putting on clothes. For this syringe, this is our 3 ml syringe. It will have finer measurements. For this syringe, each small line is 0.1 ml. So again, if you take off the cap and you depress the plunger, cream will come out through the top. And for each small little line or dash, that is 0.1 ml. And so if you wanted 0.1 ml, you would push from the 3 up one small dash to the 2.9, and that will give you 0.1 ml. Again, after use, you're going to place the tip back onto the syringe. If there is any residual, you want to clean that up prior to putting the cap back on. Finally, this is our 1 ml syringe. This is the finest unit of measurement that we have. Each small dash can be 0.01 ml. So it's a very small amount, and again, the same things apply. You want to take the cap off. You want to push up on the plunger and measure exactly how much and visualize how much cream that you'll be applying. Some important things to know about your cream. Water will wash it off really well. So if you're very active, if you're about to go to the gym, you do not want to apply the creams prior. You will wash it off. You want to give yourself 2 hours at least for the creams to absorb, preferably 4 hours. Prior to putting on clothes, you want the creams to dry prior to putting on clothes. So give yourself a few minutes, let it dry after application. And lastly, we don't want you to transfer these creams onto other people that you love, animals. Make sure you're very conscious about it. And I'll give you an example. If you are going to apply this to your inner arm and your dog licks that area, it will absorb the cream. So we want to be very conscious about that. Thank you so much for using Harbor Compounding. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call anytime.